Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable automatic book renewal in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account, and if you have not, do log in right now. It is quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply go to Account and Lists, the buttons at the top right, next to Returns and Orders. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Well, there are lots of options available, but what you have to do is simply scroll down till you see something like Digital Content and Devices. And right here, you can see something like Devices under this Digital Content and Devices section. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, from right here, you can manage your content and devices. But right now, I'm just gonna scroll right over to Preferences. Once you're in this section, simply scroll down. And right here in this section, you can see something like Automatic Book Updates. Click on this button right now. And as you can see, currently, Automatic Book Update is enabled. And I wish to disable it. I'm just gonna click on this button right here. And from here, I'm gonna select off. And guys, that's it. That's how we disable Automatic Book Updates in your Amazon account. It's kind of easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.